Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use a whiteboard in Google Meet. So to use a whiteboard in Google Meet, guys, first just create a meeting, guys, and click on these tools right here, the meeting tools. And now, guys, click on the plus button. Right here we can search apps. You should see the collaborative whiteboard right here. If you guys do not see it, just go ahead and search it up. Boom, right here. Click on install, guys. Sign into your account and continue. And now let's just wait for it to load up. Boom, it's now loading collaborative whiteboard again. Make sure to click on sign in as your account once again, guys. And then click on open whiteboard. You can now exit out of this, guys. And boom, as you guys can see, it's now loading the scene. And this is your whiteboard right here. We can create shapes, we can create anything, we can draw, we can do whatever we want. And other people are able to join as well. And yeah, that's basically how you guys do it. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.